destination will be on the left.
Oh, God. Oh, God, I can't believe I made it here. Oh, my God, Hollywood Boulevard. I made it all by myself. I'm sorry. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Don't hate me. I don't know. I guess I can turn right on the right. Oh God, oh God, oh God.
Your destination is on the left.
See? See? Woo! Oh my God! I'm not supposed to park here, but you know. Here, Hard Rock. Oh my God, this is more exciting than Vegas. Oh, hey Mickey! Spider-Man! Oh my God. I gotta get a map. Oh, there's Scaradilly right there. Hollywood Open Tourist Series Craziest. Oh my God, there's just so much to see. My aunt used to live on Hollywood and Vine. Maybe I'll see if I can see that. I forget what the name of the hotel she lived in. I don't know. Could have been the Hollywood Hotel. I don't know. I've got 4 choices, so there you go. There was a chicken place back there called Mother Clucker. Okay, am I supposed to stop here or there? I don't know. Don't worry, Sammy. We're going to stop in a little bit, okay? I bet your Vine is back the other way, so we're going to somehow meet. Don't honk. Oh, they're not honking at me, people. They're not honking at me. Yet. Okay. I wonder. Hustler! Woo! Wow. Anyone remember that magazine? Weed LA traffic. Okay, do not block. I'm gonna go. Oh shit, this was not a good idea. Maybe not. I don't know. Wrong lane closed. I don't know what I'm doing, people. Don't hate me. Don't hate me. Okay. Alright, I'm good. Gilbert Hotel, that sounds familiar too. Come on, buddy. Okay, thank you. Gilbert Hotel, sounds familiar. I don't know, though. I don't know. Look at this guy. Hey. He's not friendly. Selma Park. I'm hoping I can make a left up here. Yo, that's the name of that street I'm gonna look for a little later. I don't know. There's just so much to see here, and I can't film it all because, yeah, well, I don't know how to do everything at the same time. Okay, how am I going to do this? I can't see because of the parked cars. What? Hello, we're going for it. Okay, we made it, guys, we made it. Okay, this is Hollywood Boulevard. Hollywood. Okay. That must be take your kid for a drag day, then throw him up on the sidewalk. Souvenir outlet. Ugh. Ooh, Axe Museum. I'm not going in there. They make things too lifelike. Sorry, guys. I'm just like way happy. Where's that one hotel? Now I'm just thinking out loud, guys. That one hotel that had all those murders in it by that, gosh, I can't think of his name. I don't know. I guess this guy was a real freak, and he murdered a lot of people. He was he was well known in the actor community, but I can't think of his name right now. Oh, there's the stars on the street. I missed that. Look at that. Can you see them? Oh, shit. I missed it. See all the stars? Let's see. I can't see any names on them, but they're over there on the sidewalk. Wow. Hello. Oh, gosh. I just gotta take a breather for a second. Is it the Roosevelt Hotel? Oh, dadgone, I wish I could remember things. Ooh, there's a movie star home. Where's... Okay, God, Jesus. Okay, okay. How much are the maps? The map. Can I? Okay. That's why. I guess they don't sell from the cars. Okay. Here we are again. Here we are again. Chinese theater. I'm going slow because there's hardly anyone behind me. La 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 la. Get up there. Well, I'm going to stop this for a while.